So what does all of that mean to you and me today and now and here in Kalamazoo on your street and your house and your church? In steps 1 and 2 of humility, Benedict teaches us who God really is. The first step of humility he teaches is simply to be thunderstruck by the awareness of the presence of God in life and the will of that God for life, who he reminds us we must call Abba, Abba, Father, Daddy, that is, in Arabic. Abba, Daddy, the God of mercy and compassion and love. Listen carefully. There is no single description in this chapter or anywhere else in the Rule of Benedict of God as a slave driver or a tyrant, a warrior or a potentate, a puppeteer or a magician. There is just one definition alone: Abba, Father, mercy, compassion, and love. And then suddenly it's clear, isn't it?